For any organization, we always say that you cannot exist in isolation of your community. And at Bank Windhoek, our community is very key and important for us. In our strategy, the bank strategy, we have a pillar especially looking at social purpose, which is our purpose in this community. Our social purpose really looks at the key development priorities that are set by Harambee, as we are all aware, as well as the UN development goals. Our focus is aligned to economic advancement, health, and then poverty alleviation. We believe that as an organization, we need to be focused to ensure that we deliver impact in the communities that we are operating in. Henceforth, our focus has enabled us to empower various communities, from marginalized communities up to communities that are progressing very well in terms of agriculture projects to ensure sustainability where they are when it comes to food provision. So I think over the past few years we were able to deliver impact in the communities, and I'm also quite happy that as a team we are able to track our progress towards a sustainable future by using key metrics linked to national priorities as well as the UN development goal. For any organization, it's critical to be cognizant of the community in which you operate in. We are proud to be part of the Capricorn group that has also recently formed a foundation, and we believe that together as a collective we'll be able to definitely realize that positive change in our community.